How to enable Hey Google voice match for Assistant on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Then click on the magnifying glass like icon at the top right. Search Assistant Settings. Click on Assistant Settings. Click on Voice Match. You'll find Hey Google, turn that on. Then press on More. I agree. Then teach Google to recognize your voice. Press on More. I agree. Now in here, say as written at the top. Repeat everything as shown on the screen and press on Next. Hey Google. Then it will be turned on. Whenever you say Hey Google, it will turn on. This is how to enable Hey Google voice match for Assistant on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.